Alright, we're back. JBSB here. We're at Tamiya Underground, located at Vulcan City Center, Visayas Avenue. Alright, ito feature natin. Item name, 620 ball bearing set. 2 pieces lang po yan isang pack. So ito yung tinatawag na AO620. Item number, 94389. Price, 450. So, siyempre, apat yung wheel bearing mo. So, 2 packs kailangan mo. So, 900 pesos yan. So, sa iba yan, pwedeng may markup. Pero dito sa Tamiya Underground, 450 per pack. So, kailangan mo yan 2 packs. At maganda rin yan. Isa yan sa mas madalas na ginagamit ngayon. Alright, again, item number, or item name muna. Item name, 620 ball bearing set, 2 pieces. 94389. So, AO620. Yun yung alternative na tawag dito So, I'm JBSB. I post a lot of Tamiya Mini Fold Drive contents and tutorials. Please follow me. Bye!